What's up, guys? Today we're talking about the Tesla whistling noise. Let's check it out.
If your 2024 or 2025 Tesla Model Y is experiencing a high-pitched
Is
whistling
that the
noise from
Tesla?
the front doors at highway speeds, do not replace the window regulator or the window glass until you check the door glass run seals. It is common for drivers to assume the window isn't rolling up all the way or that the door alignment is off, but those obvious fixes usually won't solve this specific noise. The real culprit is a tiny manufacturing variance that is almost impossible to see with the naked eye. This issue specifically affects the 2024 through 2025 Model Y, particularly the standard and rear-wheel drive variants across all markets. Tesla has actually released a formal service bulletin number SB 2511001 to address exactly what is happening here. You'll likely notice this as a sharp, annoying wind whistle or a localized rushing sound coming from the A-pillar area. That is the spot where the front door meets the windshield and the side mirror. Most owners report that the noise only shows up once they hit about 65 miles per hour. If you are driving into a strong headwind, the sound can become even more piercing, making the cabin feel much less premium than it should. The defect is hidden in the fitment of the front door glass run seals. Tesla found that a gap as small as 0.5 millimeters, roughly the thickness of a few sheets of paper, is enough to cause these aerodynamic disturbances. When the gap between the rubber seal and the moving glass is too wide, air is forced into the channel at high velocity. This creates a reed effect, much like blowing across the top of a bottle, which results in that distinct high-pitched whistle. Before you book a service appointment, you can actually perform a quick mythbuster test yourself. While the noise is happening, have a passenger safely press their finger against the rubber seal where it meets the glass near the mirror. If the noise changes pitch or disappears, you've confirmed the seal is the problem. You can also look for a tiny daylight gap, where the rubber should be sitting flush against the glass when the window is fully up. On Tesla community forums and Reddit, owners of newer Model Ys have expressed frustration with this, often being told by service centers that whine noise is within spec. However, this specific bulletin gives you the leverage to get a proper repair. Many owners found that even if only the driver's side was whistling, the passenger side was often right on the edge of failing as well. Tesla's official repair direction is very specific about how technicians must handle this. They are instructed to use a feeler gauge to measure the gap on both front doors. If the gap on either side measures 0.5 millimeters or greater, the vehicle fails the inspection. The mandatory fix is to replace both the left-hand and right-hand front door glass run seals with updated components designed with tighter tolerances. Replacing both seals is a key part of the process, even if you only hear the noise on one side. This ensures the car remains symmetrical in its aerodynamic profile and prevents a second trip to the shop a month later. The updated seals are made of a slightly revised material or shape that maintains better contact with the glass even as the car ages and the rubber
Should have
settles.
just done it right the
Because
first
this
time,
is a
Tesla.
documented manufacturing variance, most of these repairs are currently being handled under the new vehicle limited warranty. If you are within your warranty period, this should be a zero-cost fix at a Tesla service center. However, if you are outside of warranty or if you're looking at a high-mileage 2024 model, you'll need to account for the parts and labor involved in swapping these seals. The repair is relatively straightforward, but requires precision to ensure the new seals are seated perfectly without any kinks. A technician typically needs about an hour to 90 minutes to replace both sides and perform a verification test drive. For a 2026 estimate at an independent shop, you are looking at a total cost of roughly $280 to $400, including the updated parts and labor. If you take the vehicle to a Tesla service center out of warranty, the cost will likely land between $450 and $600. While it might seem like a lot for just rubber, the difference in cabin quietness is usually immediate and dramatic once those tighter seals are installed. Have you noticed a strange whistling sound in your new Model Y when you're out on the freeway? Let us know in the comments if a seal replacement fixed it for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tesla repair insights.
So basically, just don't drive 65 miles per hour. That's what I got out of it. Haha. All right. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. See y'all next time.